Debbie with the Crafty Diamond. Today I have an unboxing from Uniquely Yours Down Under. And if you can see, I'm going to try to raise this box up a little bit. The box is pretty beat. It's not really beat up, but it's been flattened a little bit. I think that the canvas is going to be okay. I have not looked yet, which is why I wanted to go ahead and get this done so I can see it. This, unfortunately, often happens when I order from Uniquely Yours Down Under, because they have just some covering on top, which is a heavy plastic, and that should be fine, but the way that UPS and delivery services have been lately, they're not exactly handling with care. So I hope that everything's fine. I've not had any problems with any of my orders from Uniquely Yours Down Under, and I have ordered several. So let's go ahead and take a look. And the box wasn't even sealed. It was just easy to open. I'll go ahead and move this box. And as you can tell, this is another large one. Okay, we first have the toolkit. This is just your basic toolkit with a squishy, a plate. There is some wax in there, a couple of baggies, and there is a pin with a two-placer as well as a single. I'll roll this back this way. I don't even know if this is all going to fit in frame. It's very wide as well as long. I'm just finishing up on a really large one, so it's kind of funny that this one just came in. Try to roll this straight a little bit. I mean, just look at the drills. This is just full of drills. Not sure what that was that I just dropped. Okay. So here are the drills. We'll go over those in just a minute. I'm going to flip this over. I love how soft that their canvases are. Oh yeah, this looks really good. This is 80 by 100 centimeters. And this is Hope Springs Eternal by Josephine Wall. For any of you that know me, know how much I absolutely love Josephine Wall's artwork. And I saw this and I just had to have it. So I'm going to try to get as much as I can in this frame, but I mean, it is really wide. Let me see if I can zoom out some. I love, 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 love these colors. Let's see what I can do here. Probably not much. I'm not sure exactly what just happened. Let's see if I can just focus this out a little bit. Move it down some. Okay, again, this is 80 by 100 centimeters. So she is quite wide. I love the colors of this. I love the rainbow at the bottom, and there is, looks like the earth, and we've got some flowers here, and then her hair, her face, and then of course her wings. I love anything mystical, and I saw this and I just had to have it. Now I did order this in March, and I got it yesterday. So it did take a while to come in. Part of the problem was there was an issue with their manufacturer in China. Another part, I think, is that they were having some health issues with a family member, and so did not get as many out as they had hoped. And I was fine with it because, I understand with the supply chain issues, and also understand, if there's, family issues, you have to take care of your family first. I'm going to move this down just a little so you can see more. And there's a lot of color blocking down here at the bottom. If you can see that. There's kind of a glare. There's a lot of color blocking. That's going to be good. That will take less time to do. But I just absolutely love this. Let me see if I can't get you over just a little bit more. See how far I can get this to go up. So let's look at the drills. And they do come in baggies, which is nice. If you like to kit up with baggies, I personally do not. There are a lot of people that do, and I wish that I did, but honestly, I enjoy the kitting up process just almost as much as I do diamond painting. I'm not sure why. I guess they had to put, because it was so wide, the actual plastic that's on top of this poured glue, it's actually in pieces. It's in two separate pieces. There's not any rivers on here. I don't see any bubbles. I do apologize for the glare. The lights are bouncing off of this canvas. So let's get into this. Oh, these are so pretty colors. And I said I wasn't going to work on another one for a while, another large one. I need to get these off of here. They're all falling out of this bag. Not good. Okay, let's see. There are 50 colors in here. And if you can see, here's the thumbnail. So you can see what the thumbnail looks like. That's so pretty. And this is on sticker paper, which is really nice. So I can just easily take this off of here. And I'll have the DMC numbers on my actual containers. I'm trying to see how many ABs. There are 4 ABs in here. So let me pick up the ones that all fell off the floor and show you the bags. I opened them and they all started pouring out here. Okay, I'm not going to show you all of these. This is round. They do give you an option if you would like round or if you would like square. On this one, I decided to go ahead and go with round since the last one I purchased from them was square. I've done so many squares lately, I thought round would be really good as well. And you can also choose if you want the circle guidelines, the circle guides or no guides. I chose no guides. I think that when you have the guides, I think that when you are diamond painting, sometimes those guides can show through. You can't really see them if you're looking at a distance, but if you are looking close up, you may have a problem if you have the guides. One thing that I really do like about Uniquely Yours Down Under is they do not give you a ton of small bags. Like for instance, this one here, this is purple, and this is a large bag. It is also full. And they will have bags even larger. This is bag number 939. Even tells you how many grams for each bag. That one doesn't really tell me much, but it might to others. So this bag, and you compare it to this bag. I'm gonna put it down so you can see a little bit. These two bags are certainly different sizes. So I do like that about them, because that way you're not having to deal with a lot of trash and a lot of waste on all the plastic. There are several darker colors in here. Here's another really large bag. And this purple and the other purple are almost identical. This is number 3746. And it's a large bag. But then if you look at this color, when you look at them closer together, 3746 is much brighter than the 340. So that should definitely help. Another large bag, it's like navy. Then we have here is a burgundy, and you can't get any more diamonds in these. I mean, they are just packed full. I'm trying to look for the ABs. These aren't any kind of order. I'll have to put them in order when I go to kit up. It is going to be a while before I kit this up, because I have now decided I'm going to do 3 events in June, and I will include that under this week's Whip and Chat. So now I've got to pull out all 3 of my kits that I want to do. I really would like to do a fourth one, to be honest. I really would like to also participate in Harry Potter, but I've never done really more than one at a time on events, much less 4. I hate to overcommit. With Harry Potter, that one's 2 months. And then also the other one that I want to do, Summer with the Masters, that one's 2 months. I have 3 kits. I've decided on that one, a smaller one. Here is a really pretty purple AB. If you're not sure what AB is, that is Aurora Borealis. And they just give it a brighter shine. And it also makes the other diamonds that are around the ABs, it gives them a little more of a shine as well. It helps to get those to pop out. Trying to see here. It would take forever if I go through all of these because the way that they are. I can definitely see that there's a lot of static in here though. When you're looking at bags and the diamonds are freely moving, that's when you know you have static, but that's okay. This is very common for me when I have the baggies or actual baggies, because I don't know if it's my climate or what it is, but every time that I have a kit that comes in baggies, I tend to have a lot of static. Not all of these are staticky, but a lot of them are. I will first put a bounce sheet in each one, a very small piece of a bounce sheet on each one of these baggies that have static, and then I will shake them around a little bit. I will also put some baggies or some actual dryer sheets. I'll put those in whenever I also kit up, and so that will help as well. Here are some more of the ABs. Oh, this one's really pretty. It's a tan. It looks more yellow on camera, but this is tan. There's not very many of those. I might even add some more ABs of my own. I have to see what I have, but I love this pink AB. This is 602, and that's really pretty. I'm trying to see. I don't see the other AB. I'm just putting these in a pile so you can see the different colors. If you would like to order anything from Uniquely Yours Down Under, they have more than just Josephine Wall. And I know that the ones that I tend to post are Josephine Walls. I have purchased another one that was from Uniquely Yours Down Under, and so that was by Jasmine Beckett Griffith. So I will post underneath the eye a link to that one so you can look as well. I will be doing that one. I've already kitted up, but I will be starting on that one in July for an event. But if you're interested in Uniquely Yours Down Under, I do have a discount code that you can use, and it's underneath the description. There is, no pressure in purchasing from Uniquely Yours Down Under, no pressure in using my code, but it does save you a little bit of cash if you would like to order from them. And be aware that it may take several weeks. It could take 6 weeks in order for you to receive your order. But as long as you understand that going in, hopefully it won't be that bad for you. Here's another really large bag, $7.92. That's a deep blue. Okay, so I'm going to pan over one more time to show you this particular canvas. And I mean, I absolutely love this canvas. The colors could not be any better. Try to pan it out a little bit so you can see. It's hard for me to look at this upside down. Okay. So I hope that you love this canvas as much as I do, and that you would like to see me working on it. And one thing I did not mention is that they also have the scalloped edges all the way around. So that way you're not going to see any type of raveling. I have one that does not have the actual scallops here, and it's not from this company, it's from another company, and that one is already raveling, so I hope that I don't have any problems. But I want you to see her face one more time and see all the pretty colors in her wings. This one's going to be a lot of fun. There are, on both sides of the canvas, we do have the actual schematic. Again, there are 50 colors, which should be manageable. It means it is a large canvas, but I really do think this is going to kit up well. And I think that it's going to actually diamond paint well because of the fact that it's not going to be so much in the way of confetti. I definitely could use a break from confetti right now. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe, as well as click on the like button and the bell notification so you will know when I have more uploads. If you have already subscribed, I truly appreciate it. I love all of my subscribers, and I hope that you are enjoying what I am showing you. If you have any comments, concerns, please put those down in the description underneath comments, and I would love to hear from you. Thanks so much, and until next time, have a good one, guys.